your tray, soaking up the heat of the midday. Wrinkled skin turning heat dark red, enough fire here to wake the dead. Stems of brittle snapping in the hand, the hottest thing in the whole damn land. Oh, it's like sunlight fire waiting to bite, setting your tongue up like a dynamite. Crush it in the mortar, hear the sound, spreading that burn all around. Red hot and dry, don't you touch your eye, or you're gonna sit right down and cry. From the garden green to the angry orange, nothing rhymes with it, it's just pure force. Toss them in the wok, watch the smoke arise, bringing the tears to the toughest eyes. A little bit of danger in a tiny pot, a spicy gift from the kitchen guy. Sweat on the brow, fire in the cup. 1, 2, 3, burn! Oh, it's that sunshine fire waiting to bite, setting your tongue up like a dynamite. Crush it in the mortar, hear the sound, spreading that burn all around. Red hot and dry, don't you touch right, we're gonna sit right down and cry. Red hot.